Hi, I'm Manon.
I'm John, Manon's dad.
And I've been suffering from anorexia and OCD for about 10 years now. I was diagnosed when I was 14 years old. I've been sectioned into the Mental Health Act, and I've spent about 1.5 years in an inpatient hospital facility.
Certainly in the initial years, Manon wouldn't accept that she had an illness. She got through her GCSEs and A-levels, and it wasn't until she went to university that there was a final acceptance that she had this illness and that she needed help.
I think I found it difficult to begin with to accept and to admit that I had a problem, because I was so frightened of the stigma. I was ashamed and embarrassed about having a mental illness. But I think I've learned over time that the more you talk about it and the more that you're open about it, it just helps so much.
There is a considerable degree of ignorance about mental illness, and this ignorance can lead to illnesses being worsened by people doing the wrong things or saying the wrong things. And the way to overcome that is to discuss, be open and frank with people, and explain to them that they can help. And we have achieved considerable improvement due to that, haven't we, Anna?
I think a lot of people have found it difficult to talk about it with me because they've been frightened about how I would react to it. But I think the more they've realised that I'm quite happy to talk about it.
If you are a carer or a family member of someone that you suspect may be suffering from mental illness, it is vital that you don't succumb to the stigma or to the guilt that is associated with being a carer of somebody who's suffering, because at the end of the day, all that does is make matters worse. You sometimes feel like a spaceman. You're way out, outside the illness. You've got the sufferer in your house, she lives in your house, you see her day to day, but you don't know what's going on. And the way that's improved is learning about the illness and not be frightened to speak to others about it.
You're not on your own, are you?
No, you're not on your own. You're not on your own. Absolutely.